Hello. Yeah, hi, Chan. Uh, okay. Hello. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
So you would have received your marks with your uh, answer sheet.
Yes, sir.
So when did you send it?
Morning only, I said. Okay, wait. So I've sent it in the morning. Tarun?
I'll check after the class.
Check after the class, no problem. I will send the solution of this the whole test. That also I'll send it after the class. Some of you have done really very well. By the way, those who have got less than 20, they had to do write the test again. And then I will decide something on that. Is it clear? You everyone know your marks. No, except Tarun, anyone know your marks?
Sir, I didn't check.
I didn't check. Arinja, okay. Arinja and Tarun. Others know their marks. Okay. So those who have got less than 20, they have to rewrite this test. There will be a retest. So be prepared. Okay. So have you done exercise at least first NCRT 2.4?
Yes,
Everyone?
sir.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
I
Okay.
have done everything, even RS Agarwal, but then in RS Agarwal, sorry, 2D, 24th question, my answer is different from the answer in the textbook. I'm getting 3S answer, but then the
No,
text.
Srinidhi, can you give a retry? I have done it. I got this 5. I got
Okay,
it.
because I have divided and everything, but then
I will do it. It's not a big thing. I will do it, but I think you have done some silly mistake somewhere.
Sir, I have got only 6 doubts.
Only good. Srinidhi,
yes, sir.
answer is correct. Give a try again. Then finally I will solve. Okay.
Sir, so can you just clarify this, Doug? The least number that should be added to the dividend so that it is exactly divisible by the divisor.
Hmm.
We have to subtract the remainder from the divisor, right?
Whatever is remainder, that you have to subtract. Let's suppose if your remainder
But
is
the question is what should be added. So
wait. Let's suppose your remainder finally is
my remainder
5.
is
So what you will add so that this becomes 0? What you will add so that this becomes 0?
5 minus 5.
Yes. Got it?
Okay.
Did you get the answer
Yes,
now?
sir. I got the remainder minus 5, but then usually we subtract the remainder from the
The
divisor so
question,
that
see, understand it. The question is what should be added so that this becomes a perfect. So for perfect, what should be remainder? 0. Correct?
okay.
So what
Yes,
will
sir.
add it so that it becomes 0?
Okay.
Got your answer?
Yes, sir.
X. You will add 5 so that the remainder becomes 0.
So the
This is
question is what we should add to the remainder so that it is,
yes.
I mean,
Yes. What should you add to the remainder so that what was your remainder?
minus 5.
Minus 5. You did something and you got minus 5. What you will add it in remainder so that it becomes a perfect square?
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Exercise 2.4. Tell me, anybody has any doubt?
Sir,
Yes,
sorry,
sir.
I have 2.3 doubts.
Sir, I have 2D doubts.
ठीक है पहले let me go one by one. 2.
Fifth main, second and third.
Fifth main,
Second and third.
second and third.
Yes,
You couldn't do, Deepika?
I didn't get it.
Who all have doubt in fifth main, second and third?
Can you show me? Can you give that book?
Sir,
Yes.
I'm sorry, sir. To ask it again. The
Mhm.
question is what must be added to the given polynomial. So the whatever you said, we are adding it to the remainder.
Polynomial. Sorry. No. Hold on a second. I will in fact do that question for you. Which is that question?
24th.
24th. Wait. 20. What is the added to this so that the result is exactly divisible by 4? I will, in fact, I'll do it for everyone. Please see 24th question. The question is what must be added? Yes.
Sir, 2D. 2D, right?
2D 24th question. Question is what must be added to 2x to the power 4 minus 5x to the power cube plus 2x to the power 2 minus x plus 3 so that the resultant is exactly divisible by x minus 2. So gx is what? X minus 2. Fx is what? Correct? So what you have to add it here so that this becomes the factor, or this is divisible by x minus 2. So what you will do? Tell me. Srinidhi, come online.
So x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2.
X is equals to 2. So what you will do?
So now wherever there is x, we have to substitute x value with 2. So
Okay.
2 into 2 to the power 4 minus 5 into 2 cube plus 2 into 2 square minus 2 minus 3.
So it is 40, 38 plus 8, 40, 40. What is left out? Minus 5.
Minus 5.
So this is left out. What you will add so that in this polynomial, so that this becomes exactly divisible by x minus 2. So if we have to make this 0, correct?
Yes, sir.
F2 should be equals to 0. So what you will add? Minus 5 plus x equals to 0. I'm adding x. So what is the
Yes,
value of
sir.
x?
X plus 5.
5. So in this polynomial, if you will add plus 5, so this polynomial, the new polynomial, will be divisible by x minus 2.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir. But I guess even with x plus 3, the remainder is coming 0. Because minus x minus 3 gets
X
cancelled.
plus 3 means I didn't get x plus 3. Where
If we are adding x plus 3 to the polynomial,
x plus 3 to the polynomial.
that 2x to the power 4 minus 5x cubed. If we add x plus 3, minus x plus x gets cancelled. Minus 3 plus 3 gets cancelled.
Correct. That you see, because you are just hold on a second. You
So still
are
we are getting remainder 0.
yes, you will get remainder because when you are replacing this 2 here, so this will become 0. Then also you will get remainder 0. See here, na, this 3 you are talking about minus 40, and this will be plus 40.
Yes.
So
Sir.
when you want to take out x from here, so you can take it out like that. So I mean, the question here is what must be added to this so that exactly divisible by x minus 2. So what after this minus 5 you have got remainder, right, in this polynomial, what you are adding.
Yes, sir.
So this way, if you will tell, so you can add not even x plus 3, there will be some other. If I'll add some other thing also, we want to make this 0, correct?
Okay.
So with the remainder theorem, you got x 5. Now you are telling I will add x plus 3. Yes, then also this polynomial will be 0. Then I will tell ki I will add some more thing. I will subtract minus 2 x square. This will go, and then I will for this I will add something else. So that too we can do it. But thing is here, minimum number na you are adding 5. If you will add in this polynomial, the whole will become 0.
Okay. So
That,
we have to always write the number to be added or subtracted as numbers, not as variables.
No. The question, see, the next question, 25th question. It will has
That
x
is
also.
variable.
That is variable is also coming in that. That will be different type of question. So in this question, when they are asking what you have to do, you have to replace x, and what is left out through remainder theorem. What is left out? Minus 5.
Yes, sir.
So what is the minimum thing you will add in this so that it becomes 0? 5.
Okay.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, so anything can be added. I will tell ki I will add minus 2x4. Somebody will tell, okay, I will add 5x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 3. Everything is cut 0. So it is that is different thing. Correct? You understood my point, what I'm telling?
Yes, sir.
There can be many things which you can add it, subtract it, and this will become a factor of that. But what is the minimum thing which we are adding?
That is
5.
plus. That is 5.
5 we are adding. So next question again, variable is also coming. Anyway, that question I will come later. Okay, 2.4. Who all have not got 2 and 3?
Sir, I've got, but I'm not very sure with the answer. So I've got the answer. It's not completely factorized. That's what I think.
The answer to we have already discussed it, na? Anyway, 5.2.
So I have doubt in 2.3 also, sir. Like 2 questions.
Okay, well let me finish this one.
Yeah.
3x square minus 9x minus 5. So factorize this one. So f1, is it coming? 1, 3, no, minus 1. Yes, Deepika, tell me. Minus 1 is the Deepika, switch on your mic.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, is it the factor? Minus 1, minus 3, plus 9, minus 5. No. So this is 0, correct?
Yes, sir.
Minus 1. So what is the factor? What is the one factor? X plus 1? Gx, we can say?
Yes, sir.
Gx is equals to x plus 1.
Yes.
So now what is the next step? We have to do it.
Uh,
You have got one factor.
yes.
Not what is the next step we have to do?
So we have to divide it.
Says we have to divide it. Did you get this one, Deepika?
Yes, sir. Till that I got, but after
And what was after that? After that is
I-
class 8. After that is class 8, Deepika. What is your question?
So should it be gx is equal to x minus 1? No?
Somebody explain. Vidyut, what is his doubt? Somebody can you explain? Anyone?
yes, sir.
Explain what his question is and tell him.
Gx is equal to 0. So when we put the expression as x plus 1 is equal to 0, x will be minus 1.
Understood? Vidyut?
Yes.
No, you have not understood. What is at
Sir,
what
I
value?
understood.
Understood, na? Okay. Okay, now minus 4x square minus 4x So what is the next factor which we have got? This is the next x plus 1 into x square.
Yes, sir.
Did you get this question?
I made a
Deepika?
mistake in the division.
Yes. I know because that you will make it. Next question I will not solve. You have to solve it. X square minus 5x plus x minus 5 x minus 5 plus 1 x minus 5. This is the answer. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Others who couldn't do, please write it. The third question you have to do same thing. You have to do by yourself. Anybody else have in 2.4 any other doubt?
So can you scroll up?
Fourth, third one.
Third one, okay.
Fourth, third one.
Sir, sir, I did this like that before you taught the factor theorem. I just did it direct factorization, sir. Like when you told us to complete till 2.4, I did direct factorization, like middle term splitting for this one.
Which one?
For this whole main, sir. So I have to redo that whole main.
So you do redo then.
So can you scroll up a bit?
Ayush is telling fourth main, third one.
Yes, sir.
6x square plus 5x minus 6.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm not getting answer.
What you are doing? What are your factors? How you are doing?
Sir, I'm doing like 6x square plus 2x plus 3x minus 6.
Plus 2x plus 3x minus 6. How?
Sir, because 2 and 3 are the factors of 6.
You are supposed to find the factor of 6 or you are supposed to find the factor of 36. Ayush?
Sir, I wrote the question wrong.
Do it. 2.4. Any other doubt?
So 2.3.
Wait, 2.4. Vidit, I'll go 2.3. Wait. 2.4. Any other doubt? No doubt in 2.4. Okay. So everything is perfect. Then why not the marks is so perfect? Yes, with your 2.3, which question?
First main, fourth, fifth.
Find the remainder of what is there in Vidyut in this? X is
Sir, I'm
equals
not
to
getting the correct answers.
oh, calculation. I know Vidyut, you calculation mistake you are doing it. I know because there is nothing to explain here. X value you have to find. In fourth, it is minus pi. That is minus 22 by 7. That you have to replace and find the value remainder. In the second one, the x value is minus 2 by minus 5 by 2, and you have to replace. That is calculation. You do it. You do that calculation by
Okay, sir.
yourself. Okay.
Sir,
Yes. Tell me.
the third one is 6 only.
How come it is 6? It is 6 square plus 5x minus 6. So what you have to multiply? What are the factors?
So factors of
Otherwise,
6.
I will, if you are not perfect in this factorization, I will ask you to do that 8th again and then come for 9th factorization. Question is 6x square plus 5x minus 6. What should be the sum? 5x. What should be the product? What should be the products? Tell me.
2x plus 3x.
What should I said na? I told you in class 8. Sum should be right sum 5x. What should be the product? This into this 36x square. What which factor you have to find? 36 ka factor you have to find. By seeing those, by seeing only you should tell us.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. .4 done? Everything? Okay. Then I'll go back to RS Agarwal. By the time I will give few questions. Those who don't have any doubt, please do those questions. Writing the question on the board, and then I will take up doubts. Okay. Px is 8x cubed Nidhi,
Yeah.
I will correct and send it back to you today. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Then check whether, find whether gx is factor of px or not. Find gx is a factor of px or not. This is question 1. Question 2. If x minus a is a factor of x cubed minus ax square plus 2x plus a minus 1. Find the value of a. Question 3. Minus 1 is 2x plus a minus 1. Find value of a. For what value of m is x cube minus 2m x cube plus 16 by plus 2. Write all these 4 questions, everyone. Once done, then I will take up your doubt. I mean, please write it. And those who don't have any doubt can start doing. This Deepika?
No, sir, I had a doubt in answer.
हाँ ठीक है, I'll take it. Written, everyone? Okay, ठीक है, we are written. Now doubt. Exercise 2A. Any doubt in 2A? Anyone has? Deepika, 2A you don't have, na? Okay.
No, sir.
2A. Yes, Ayush, tell me which
The
question.
9th question.
2A में there is no 9th question.
Sir, no, I don't have doubt.
Okay, 2A done. 2B. Anyone has doubt in 2B?
Sir, ninth question.
Yes, 9th question. Find the value of A and B. 9th question. 2B, 9th question. Question says, if 2 and 0 are the zeros of the polynomial of fx, 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus ax plus b, then find the value of a and b. So you can say f of 2 is equals to 0 and f of 0 equals to 0. We can say So let's find out f of 2. So 2 into 2 cube minus 5 into 2 square plus 2a plus b, 2 to 8, 16, so 20. This is equal to 0, correct? Minus 4 plus 2b plus b equals to 0. So 2a plus b equals to 4. Question 1. Now f0. So everything 0 mein to 0, this becomes 0, 0, 0 plus b equals to 0. So what is the value of 0? 0. So one value you got, b is equals to 0. Replace this value here in equation 1. Replacing b in equation 1. 2a plus 0 equals to 4. So 2a equals to 4. A is equals to 2. A equals to 2. Got it, Nachiket?
Yes, sir.
Please write it. Anybody in any doubt in 2b? No doubt. Okay, I'll go to 2c now. Yes, 2c.
Sir, 12, 13, 14.
12, 13, 14. Okay.
Sir, 10, 10, 13, 14.
1 minute. Let me write it. Question exercise 2c. Question 10,
10, 13,
11.
10, 12 also, na? 12, 13, 14. Correct?
So
Yes, sir.
11.
Yes.
11 also. Sure. Okay. So 10 question. Question 10 says px. Others are doing those questions.
Sir, I finished 3 of that. Now I have the doubts.
Do the fourth one as well. First, you clear your doubts here. What I'm 10th question. This one gx is 1 minus 3 by 2 x. Using the remainder, find the remainder when px is divided by gx. So 1 minus, so gx equals to 0. 1 minus 3 by 2x equals to 0. So we can say minus 3 by 2x equals to minus 1. Minus minus 1. X is equals to 2 by 3. Correct? Now in px, p 2 by 3. Hold on. Some mistake did a mistake I did. ठीक है, okay. So this one, then is x cube, so 2 by 3 cube minus 6 into 2 by 3 square plus 2 by 3 minus 4, 27 minus 6 into 4 by 9 plus 4 by 3 minus 4. 3 2 ja, 3 3 ja.
Sir, 4 by
Come again. Tell Nachiket, tell me what you are saying.
Sir, 6 into
Come again. You are getting muted again and again.
Sir, I got it.
What is happening, Nachiket? You are raising your problem and you are only solving it. 8 by 27 minus 8 by 3 plus 4 by 3. Correct? You can do right like this.
Sir, can we add minus 8 by 3 and 4 by 3?
Yes, yes, you can add it. It will be minus 4
Minus
by
4
3.
by 3.
Yes, yes, you can do it. So that way only will do it. Eight by 27. It will be minus 4 by 3 minus 4. 27. 8 minus 36 minus 27 4 is 2 8 49 10. So correct 8 minus 9 3 is 9 4 is 36 minus 2 8 49 10. So what is this? Means 8 yes 6 and 28. So 28 38. So 38 136 minus 136 by 27. This is the answer. Got it? 10th,
Yes.
12, 13, 14. Nachiket, where you did the calculation mistake?
Sir,
Tell me. I didn't hear you.
sir, I'm
Can't hear you, Nachiket, anyway. Others, everyone done those 4 questions? Who all have done?
Sir, I have done.
Shrindi, you have done it. Okay. Then I will give you next question. Anybody else?
So,
Yes, yes, tell me.
yeah, so could you show me the third question again?
Third question.
Yes, sir, which you gave. Yeah. Okay, sir. So it is the second one is like minus 2m x square. No, sir, third question.
X cube minus 2m x square. Yes. It is minus 2m x square. Ashindi, for you, next question will be
Excuse me, sir.
yes, Ritvi.
Sir, did you post 24th April class on YouTube? Because my power was off, so I
I
wanted to
have
refer
already
it
posted.
once.
Yes, I have already done it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Next question. Fifth question. Srinidhi. Those who are done. In fact. Fifth question is what must be subtracted? Wait. Must be subtracted from 4 to the 4 minus 2x cube minus 6x square plus 2x plus 6 so that the result is exactly divisible by 2x square plus x minus 1. Write it, everyone, fast. Then I will solve the question.
Sir, this question only I have doubt in 2D, sir.
Okay, no problem. Written, everyone?
Sir, 2
ठीक है, okay, write it. Written? Can I move down? Okay. 12th question. So Px is given and Gx is given. This is Nachiket, your question.
Sir.
Why you are find the remainder? What is the problem? X minus a, you have to make it 0. X is equals to a. You have to replace a here. A cube minus a into a square plus 6a minus a cube minus a cube plus 6a minus a. Sorry, this goes na a square into a cube gone. So what is left out? 5a. What is the answer? 12 square. 5a is the answer. Why, Nachiket, you are not able to do this?
Sir, I didn't understand. Now I understand.
13th question. Polynomial. If I write it, px 2x cube plus x square minus ax plus 2 and like p1 x polynomial 2x cube minus 3x square minus 3x plus a when divided by gx polynomial x minus 2, leave the same remainder. Means what? X value to is 2. So p2 is equals to whatever remainders you get, and in p1 2 whatever remainder you get, both are equal. This is what they are asking. So let's put p2 p2 2 into 2 cube plus 2 square minus 2a plus 2 16 plus 4 minus 2a plus 2. So 22 minus 2a. This is p2.
Sir, done.
Done. Okay, great. Now p1 2. So this one was this one minus this one. And p1 I'll put in p1. p1 में 2 into 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus a 16 minus 12 minus 6 plus a. 16 minus 18 is equals to 2 minus 16 minus 18 minus 2 plus a. This is a. So what they are telling, remainder both gives the same remainder. So here P2 is giving 22 minus 2a. Here P dash 2 or whatever you say is minus 2a. So both what we will do here? Yes, Vidyut, tell me.
Sir, 22 minus 2a is equal to minus 2 plus a.
So 2 plus 8. So you know the problem. You know the solution. Then why you didn't get the answer? This will
Sir,
go
I was confused like a little bit. Sir, with this.
here. It goes here. Minus 2a minus a equals to minus 2 minus 22. Minus 3a equals to minus 24. A is equals to 8. What is the answer? 13. 8. Same answer. The polynomial this and this divided by this and this, leave the remainder 5 and 19. Find the value of a and b, hence remainder. This so 14 question you do by yourself. You have to do it. Same logic. 14 question, it's on you.
Yes, sir. Can I do that a little later, sir?
Later, not now, later. Now,
So now I am in the fourth question solving, sir. Which you gave.
So now tell me who all have done those 5 questions to all. Srinidhi,
Sir, I did.
yeah, Srinidhi. Anybody else?
Sir, can you show the fifth question?
Finished?
No, sir, can you show the fifth question?
Okay.
Sir, I've done the 13th question in a different way and I've sent you in the WhatsApp, sir. Can you just check that and tell if it's correct?
Okay, I'll check it later. Okay. So Srinidhi.
Sir, can you wait for 5 minutes, sir?
Where? I'm wait for 5 minutes. You quickly do it, not 5 minutes. Do it quickly. I'm waiting for only 2 minutes. Srinidhi, you have done this 2D everything?
Yes, sir.
Anybody else who has done 2D everything and no doubt? Then 2D has so many doubts. Srinidhi, you can do one thing. For today, I will send you objective question. Okay?
Okay, sir.
That you have to do. Today
Okay,
you have
sir.
to do that objective question, 32 questions only. Okay? So that
Okay.
you complete it today. And then if you have any doubt, you can ask me.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And tomorrow we'll start factorization for everyone. Class 8 factorization, revise it before tomorrow's class.
Sir, could you please send that, sir? Currently, I'm in my hometown. That's why I don't have my books.
What I have to send? The chapter.
Yes, sir. Like, could you? Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll do it.
Thank you, sir.
Everyone, tomorrow you have to go through 8th factorization before we start 9th factorization. The concept, I'm not going to teach you what is middle-term splitting. So it should be this, the product should be this. We have done everything. I'm not going to teach you x square minus y square is what. Okay, or a plus b the whole square is what. I will expect that you know everything, and then I will start factorization and with the higher order questions. So before this factorization, you are supposed to go through your 8th factorization. Tarun, where are you? Today I haven't heard you.
A few doubts in 2D.
2D, so I know it. Wait, we'll take it.
So
We'll take
last
it.
questions like they are harder after 15th one.
So I know. I will in fact give you hint after this. I'll give you hint and then you do it today. Nothing. If still you cannot do, then I will solve it tomorrow. I will give you hint. question number, you start telling me question number one by one. Raise your hand for 2D. If just raise your hand so that I'll call one by one. Yes, Shyam, tell me which question.
So
10th question. Px is given and gx is given. The question is, using factor theorem, show that gx is a factor of gs. So x will be equal to what? In 10th question, x will be what?
So like, can you write the question? I don't have the questions now.
Okay. The question is, px is equals to 2 under root 2 x square plus 5x plus under root 2, and gx is equals to x plus under root 2. Okay. So what will the value of x? When you have to show the using the factor theorem, show that gx is a factor of px. Gx is a factor of px means what? X will be equal to Shyam.
Yes, sir.
What will be the value of gx? What will the value of x?
Sir, I can't hear you.
Can't hear you. So it is difficult. Gx will be, x will be equal to minus under root 2. This you have to replace here and prove it that it is equals to 0. After evaluating, you will find it 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question in 2D. This one, Tarun, tell me which question.
Sir, I have questions 11, 18, 21 and 22nd.
11. Show that p minus 1 is a factor of p to the power 10 minus 1 and also p to the power 11 minus 1. मतलब question 11, 12 देखते हैं, you got scared and you say कि नहीं कर सकते हैं. Correct? ये तो without pen and paper you can solve it. Without pen and paper, Tarun. What is, show that p minus x is a factor of p to the power 10 minus 1 and also p to the power 11 minus 1. What is the value of p? What you have to keep? Tarun.
Sir, can you write the question right now? I'm not having it.
Question is, show that p minus 1 is a factor of p to the power 10 minus 1 and also p to the power 11 minus 1. तुम ये देख करके ही छोड़ दिए. You left this question after seeing 11 and 12. What you have to do in this question?
Find the value of p.
What will the value of p?
1.
1. Replace here. 1 to the power 10 minus 1.
0.
0. 1 to the power 11 minus 1.
0.
तो क्या इसमें करना था? वो डराता है ऐसे. Virus will only scare you. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. But if you see properly, it's very easy question. Tarun ka 11 done. Okay.
18th one, sir.
Without actual division, show that this is exactly divisible by x square plus.
Sir, I tried,
2x.
but I didn't get the right answer.
Who has done it except Srinidhi? Who has done this? Deepika. Okay.
Sir, I also have doubt in the 18th one.
Okay.
I also have done.
You have done. So explain, Vidyut. You get this chance to explain how you did. 18th question.
Yes, sir. So first we have to basically like split them into factors. Gx
Oh.
x square plus 2x minus 3. So we can do it like so we'll get the final answer as x plus 3 minus 1 x plus 3.
Come again.
So we'll get, after factorizing it, we'll get x plus 3
x plus 3
and x minus and minus 1 x plus 3. Then it will finally come x minus 1 x plus 3.
You tell this one. This is the after factorization he got this. Now what you did?
Then I did like x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3. then x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1.
Hmm.
So then p bracket minus 3, then I substituted the formula.
Miss P minus 3 you found it. Okay.
Yeah.
P minus 3 you found. And then you got what value you got?
Yes. I got
You'll get
0.
0.
In the end.
And P1 you will substitute.
And
you will
for
get
that
0.
also I got 0, sir. For that also I got 0.
0. 18th question. What Vidyut did? Gx is x squared plus 2x minus 3. He factorized and found x plus 3 and x minus 1. Don't tell me how to do factorization of this. It is middle term splitting. So he got this. Now he equated this first part with 0, found the value of x. He equated the second one with 0 and found the value of 1. So after equating minus 3 here, after putting minus 3 in px, px is what? Px is x cube minus 3x squared minus 13x plus 15. So he replaced minus 3 here. He found that it is coming 0. He replaced minus 1 here. He found that this is 0. So hence it shows that this is the factor of both. Any doubt? Any doubt in this question? This type of question, you have multiple question on this. Can you do it by yourself?
Yes, sir. I got it. How to do it.
How to do it? Good.
So now looking at factorization on the
Wait. Till 20.
Sir, I have doubt.
Wait. Till 2D 20. Anyone has any doubt? Till question 20 in 2D. Wait. Let me lower your hand. Wait. Yes. Till in exercise 2D. Till 20. Anyone has any doubt? Nachiket, which question?
19.
If x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 6 has x minus 2 as a factor and leaves the remainder 3 when divided by x minus 3, find the value of a and b. In first
So can I do?
No, wait. Let me quickly explain him. Nachiket.
Sir.
X minus 2. That is gx. So x value will be 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So, and it is telling that x minus 2 is a factor of x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 6. So when you will replace the value 2, what you will get? What will be the remainder?
Sir, I got is 14 plus 4a plus 2b.
14 plus 4a plus 2b, which should be equals to? Since x minus 2 is a
0.
Factor, 0. So you have to, in terms of a and b, you can write it as 0. You'll get one equation.
Yes, sir.
Now, in second equation, second gx is x minus 3. Correct? So
yes, sir.
X value will be what? 3?
Yes, sir.
That 3, if you replace in px, what should be the remainder? 3?
Sir, yes,
remainder
sir.
is given 3. So you'll get the second equation in terms of a and b. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Can you evaluate these two equations and find the value of a and b?
Yes, sir.
You do it by yourself. Otherwise, tomorrow I'll do it.
Okay, sir.
So with this, I know 2D math, there are few doubts. Again, you have, please try to do it. And then I will take it tomorrow and start with factorization. You try to do it by yourself. Yes, Vidyut?
Sir, in the question paper, so the 10th question, is it a 2 marker or a 3 marker?
Let me check.
10th one.
Let me check first, please. Three marker.
Okay. So then I got only 2 marks.
10 questions, 2 marks. 2 marks.
I got only 2 marks. I did everything correct, sir.
So I said the full marks is 2 for that 10th question.
Huh?
10th question, 2 mark question.
2 mark.
Yeah.
And then, sir, like 1 whole mark you cut for not writing the
Yes.
formula.
Yes.
And sir, fourth one, what's the
that
answer?
is a
sir?
penalty for you, so that next time you don't do it.
So what's the fourth one answer? Sir?
That I will send it. I will send the solution. You can have a look.
Okay.
Those students who have got less than 20, you have to write the test again. After that, I will discuss what I have to do if you are not improving your marks. Is it clear?
Sir, do you remember how much I got?
Okay, okay. Although I this time I made it. Anyway, I'll tell 2 marks. So Tarun had asked, so Tarun has got 21 marks. Srinidhi, 30 on 30 in this batch. And another batch, Aditya, 30 on 30. These 2 students got full marks. Okay.
And I got 25.
I said 3 people marks. Tarun asked his marks, so I told him, and those who got 30 on 30. So for them, I have told. Good. That's, I mean, I'm happy. Those who have got above 20, but still you have space to improve your marks. And those who are below 30, you need to rewrite it. Anyway, I'm just leaving. Tomorrow, 2D remaining doubt questions, I will do it. And then we'll start factorization. Before that, you are supposed to revise factorization of class 8 and then come. All mid-term splitting and everything. Okay? Okay, I'll leave for the day. Science for science, students, please keep joining.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.